This is Nagraj Marupaka from Autorounders Hyderabad. Today we have received this Innova which is modified by DC. So here we are going to do some modification with the Lexus Kit, adding Lexus Kit, Innova Lexus Kit, and the projector headlights, fog lamps, and let me show you. Again, the backside rear we are doing the LED tail lamps with the spoiler. Hi, hello everyone. This is Nagraj from Autorounders Hyderabad. So today we are delivering this car. This is actually modified by DC, which has come for exterior modification like Lexus Kit, which is modified into Lexus, our Innova Lexus Kit. Again, we are added the projector headlights, the fog lamps in LED. Rear में we are added this LED tail lamps with the Dickey Patti, with the LED Dickey Patti. Of course, again here LED reflectors. So this is what we did in the this car. Actual modified by DC. So added what we did in the Lexus, Innova Lexus we added. So anyone wants to do this kind of modifications, please contact Autorounders.